Hey guys, welcome back to my colourful country life. Today I have something super exciting that I want to share with you all. A little idea that actually started while I was sorting the laundry of all things and has turned into something so much bigger. Why do all the greatest ideas come to us when we're doing the most mundane of tasks? So I was chatting with my brother about my ever-growing coloured pencil conversion chart and how it is becoming this wonderful behemoth of a document. But with more brands being added, it is getting harder to read and navigate in its current format. It's not searchable, and if I add much more content, it won't be user-friendly anymore either. And I do have lots of plans to convert more brands and add to the chart. Now, my brother is a software developer, so that conversation quickly turned into a creative idea, a dedicated digital hub for colorists and artists, a place where you can easily access pencil conversions, color combinations, and also some fun extras all in one place, beautifully organized and also fully searchable. But before I get into all the details, I do want to reassure you all, nothing is changing here on my YouTube channel. You'll still get all of my regular videos, the free color combo sheets, tutorials, reviews, color alongs, all the usual stuff will still be here. Nothing is changing. This new space is simply an extension of what I already do, a way to make it even easier and more interactive for those colorists and artists who'd love to dive deeper and for beginners looking to learn. This is also not about me. Yes, it is being designed by me and it is my knowledge and work going into the creation, but this will be a toolkit that any colorist or artist can utilize. So how about I give you a little sneak peek of what it might look like in the future. Now, it is very basic at the moment, just a rough concept that my brother put together from all of our notes. I've also made a few mock-ups as well of ideas that we will be integrating into the website. We are still in the early stages, and that is where you all come in. Before going too far into this process, I really want to hear what you all think. This project is for our community, so your input means everything to me. I do have this great vision for a creative toolkit for all colorists and artists, and here are just some of the things that it could offer. So first things first, here is the rough design that we've put together. So this is the color combo section, and we have a search bar at the top, which we will utilize in a moment. Now under this, you can see the heading, all brands, then the individual brand headings of Polychromos and Prismacolors. That's all we've uploaded so far from my Prismas and Polycombos. At the top, you can see featured combo section. This is where we can highlight particular color palettes that relate to particular seasons or themes in the coloring and art community, or even just some fun suggested palettes based on the brand you like and other combinations you favorited. So it will be quite personalized. And I'll go over this again in a moment. As we scroll down, you'll see the more combinations section. At the moment, my screen is showing a mix of blues from all brands based on the tab that I've selected, which is the all brands tab. This will be personalized to you. And as you can see down the bottom, we have 34 pages of combinations in here already, which is huge, and it is just the beginning. Also, the swatches that you see on the screen are based on hex codes for the pencils, so they give you a great digital preview of the colors. Keep in mind though, colored pencils can vary depending on paper, pressure and technique, but this gives you a solid starting point to be able to choose a combination that you like. So everything is neatly organized and at your fingertips. It is also fully searchable, and you can search by pencil brand, color name, pencil number, and we will also be adding in themes like skin tones, water, autumn, Christmas, all sorts of things. So you'll see at the top, I type in True Blue into the search bar, and all combinations that contain True Blue will show up. Now, for the conversions. When you find a combination you like, maybe you've searched for a sunset combination and a Polychromos combination pops up that you really like. However, you don't own the Polychromos pencils. So what you do, you can click on the combination and it will bring up a pop-up showing all the brands from my conversion chart. Click on the brand you want to convert the combination to, and ta-da! Your pencil alternatives will pop up in a combination for you to use. You can then save and favorite that combination. So as well as all the existing combinations we'll be uploading and programming in from my charts, you have the ability to make your own combination by using brand alternatives. Now, sometimes a pencil may have no alternative, and it will say that in the pop-up. So you can click on where it says no alternative and choose a different brand just for that pencil to see what options are available that you may have on hand in a different set. And you can see I've used Black Widows as the alternative in this example, and it's giving a direct conversion. So why this website? Well, let's go through some features. Firstly, all in one place and searchable. Everything is all in one place, fully searchable by brand, pencil name, pencil number, or theme. This feature will be continuously updated to include color combinations for all 13 pencil brands in my current conversion chart. I'll also be developing combos for other mediums, including Neocolor 2s, Derwent Inktense, Distress inks, and once this main content is all up in place, you yourself as a subscriber would be able to vote on which additional pencil sets or products, for example alcohol markers, you'd like me to create combinations for going forward. Next, find brand alternatives. This is one of the most exciting features in my opinion. If you see a combination you like in a brand that you don't have, click on the combo, choose the brand you wish to see conversions for, and it will show you the best matches from other brands using my conversion chart. Exclusive combinations. So each month I will release a brand new combo just for the website and for the subscribers, and you will get to vote on the brand or theme. There'll also be special palettes every now and then tied to colouring events like Mermaid, February, or seasonal themes like Easter, Spring, Christmas, etc. Now, early access. Subscribers will get early access to my combo worksheets before they go live on YouTube, so you can get colouring straight away. Those combinations will be uploaded immediately into the website, so they'll be searchable and downloadable straight away. Portable and easy to access. It is all online, so whether you're at your desk, on the couch, or even away on holiday, you can log in from your phone, your tablet, your laptop, or even a TV. No printed worksheets needed. Saving your favorites. Keep track of combinations you love by saving your favorites or bookmark combinations you want to try later on for other ideas you may have for upcoming pages, and also save your converted combinations for future use too. Worksheets and templates. All of my templates and worksheets will easily be stored in one handy place with direct links to any related videos so you can follow along really easily. Now, of course, creating and maintaining something like this does come with ongoing costs. So I am looking at a small subscription fee, similar to something like a channel membership on YouTube or a Patreon membership, but instead of bonus content alone, you will get access to a fully searchable website designed as a toolkit to support your colouring, complete with exclusive combinations, brand alternatives, and all of your favorites all in one place. But I want your honest input first. I have put together a quick anonymous survey. It will only take a couple of minutes of your time, and I'd love to know what features you would use, what you'd love to see added, and whether a service like this is something you'd be interested in. This is a project I am truly passionate about, and your feedback will help me shape it into something that is truly valuable for our colouring community. The survey link is down below. I cannot wait to hear what you all think of this project, and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. Happy colouring, and of course, bye for now.